Hello, welcome. You're watching Market Moves on Bloomberg TV India. We're just counting down to the Biocon press conference that's about to just kickstart on the back of earnings. We're going to have Kiran Mazumdar Shaw just start speaking and brief the media as far as some of the highlights of the quarter are concerned and what's really worked for them in regard to the way the numbers have played out. I believe she's just about to start speaking. Let's go across and listen in.
Welcome to our first quarter earnings for FY16. I am pleased to announce that the Biocon Group has had a very strong first quarter. We have seen a 15% surge in revenues to 857 crores. Our net profit has surged 23% from 103 to 126 crores. Our net profit margins have also improved from 14 to 15%. EBITDA has increased from 191 crores last fiscal to 236 crores this fiscal. EBITDA margins have also jumped from 26 to 28%. R&D expenses have also increased from 31 to 50 crores at a net level. At a gross level, it's much higher. We spent 93 crores of R&D expenses this quarter, and from 63 crores, which is a jump of 47%. Now, as you can see, we have therefore delivered a strong set of numbers despite increased R&D spends and other aspects of our business. Having said that, I'd also like to mention that this quarter did see a one-time effect of a capacity reservation fee that was basically concluded with Merck Cubist for our fidaxomicin, and this particular capacity reservation fee absolved Merck from this capacity reservation obligation in the future. But having said that, they have renewed the contract for fidaxomicin for an additional 7 years, and they have also freed up and allowed us to utilize the dedicated facility for our own product needs. And I think therefore this has been a very important agreement with Merck, which has not only realized a one-time fee, but it also adds capacity for some of our other product needs. And at the same time, we have actually entered into an additional 7-year contract for fidaxomicin. So I think overall, I think this has been a very important event for Biocon this quarter. And this one-time fee that we received from Merck also basically buoyed up our margins this quarter. And apart from that, we've also seen some good licensing revenue coming in from licensing our biosimilars in key emerging markets, largely on account of trastuzumab licensing, which again is a very, very important asset for us. Our biopharmaceuticals business, therefore, if you exclude the one-time fee that we got from Merck, did see a relatively flat performance in terms of product and licensing. But having said that, I must also mention here that we have taken a planned shutdown this quarter, which for 45 days, which of course impacted product sales. But having said that, we are now back and resumed operations, and therefore you should see improved, product sales in the coming quarters. We have mitigated partly this shutdown through contract manufacturing, but what we do expect in the coming quarters is to see a stronger growth in product sales. Licensing continues to be a very, very attractive and continued revenue stream for us. I would also like to say that our biosimilars are really beginning to drive growth and profitability for the company. We saw 2 very successful launches of insulin glargine in Colombia and Mexico, and we expect glargine again to be a good growth driver in the future. Emerging markets are becoming very important for Biocon. We are seeing a very strong uptake of our biosimilars through various licensing arrangements, and we can see these translating into commercial opportunities in the near future. So this will drive strong and profitable growth for the company as we go forward. We are also seeing very good progress in terms of our clinical advancement of many of our programs. We have the largest number of portfolio of biosimilars in clinical trials. In phase 3 clinical trials, we have 4 partnered programs with Mylan, which includes trastuzumab, which includes pegfilgrastim, which includes glargine and adalimumab.
All right, that's the management at Biocon. Kiran Mazumdar Shaw just taking us through the highlights of the quarter gone by. Stock, though, has been seeing some good performance today, 3% higher. And remember, you're also counting down to the Syngene IPO that opens up next week itself. Beyond that, in terms of some of the other developments that we're tracking, you've got IDFC